but with the chat open, I need, yeah. My realistic border. I hope that you like this stream because we are going to be implementing the multiplayer stuff that we did yesterday for single player, but we really should implement.
Realistic border says I came till 6:00, but you weren't live. Realistic border says I came at 6 asterisk.
Yeah. Sorry. I was coding in another language. I can show you a screenshot of what I was doing. It's really like it's complex.
Realistic border says it's hour.
I'll show you. Basically, you can see this screenshot. Yeah, this is kind of complex, but it's working. That's the most important part. This is using SQL and I'm coding in Rust.
Realistic border says it's alright, don't worry.
Yeah, and this is important.
Realistic border says nice.
Yeah, it's a lot of lines of code, but basically what this will do, I'll show you. It will let me put it here. It will retrieve something like this, the structure, but with the data inside of it. I can show you. This is localhost, so no worries. See, like it returns the data. This is just an API for something that I'm working on. And yeah, it's complex, but I like it. So you can see like the code here I was working on. The project is really complex right now. It started as simple, but it does a lot of things, and while working on that, I'm gaining a lot of experience towards the Rust language, which I'm thankful because I really
Border says I finally came at time XD.
Yeah. You're going to have fun. So let's focus on this. So basically we need to transform, I think it's minus. Yeah, it's minus. Then we need to okay. Now we need to do this. This is just background with stars. This will just put the things at the end. Like let's remove weird okay. Yeah. For example, the starting point is not this one, because actually you don't need that anymore, right? So we do this, then we grab Mars and we put Mars in here because that will be the starting point. Sorry. Now we grab the satellites, we grab the clouds, we remove the old clouds. I don't think they have any kind of behavior, so let's remove them. Regarding the satellites, it's another thing. I think they have logic, but the logic that they have, it's not really that important, so it can run on the I wouldn't say that it's not important. It's important, okay, but it's not important enough to basically have it in a way. Let me just do this, okay. I'm just putting everything into place. And I think I need to also do this. Because it was either this or this. I really don't remember. I think it's this, but whatever. So yeah, basically, yeah. I'm being dumb. We can see the. It's minus. Yeah, it's minus. So basically, what we do is, in here we do 0, and in here, in all of them, we do minus 90, and inside of each one, basically we switch to -4, -24. Basically, we switch around the values, like 10, sorry, -4, 10. See, it's simple. -4, -10, -4, 5. Because what we are doing is basically we are switching around the spawn positions. -4, -15, sorry. 15, -4, 15, minus and -4, 24. Perfect. Basically, the spawn positions are done. The spawn zones, what I can do, since they are quite finished, basically I could just rotate them, and I think I will do something like this. Like I will put them in the 28, 30 zone. Yeah, 30 zone. The border colliders, I don't need them. Okay. The target, I kind of need the target. So why do I need a target? I need a target to check the upper bound, lower bound, left and right. So everything stays accordingly to the plan. This is so big. I think I can remove it. 1 second before I remove it. Yeah, the spawn zones are in different spaces, but that will work. The global lighting, I think I will put the same. I want the maps to feel like the way that I should implement this. I should abstract the multiplayer and should abstract the player and basically feed them when you are playing. But okay, whatever. I'll do it by hand. It's more tedious, but it will get the job done for now. So basically the map one, if I disable it, we can see that this, the final stuff, like the final doesn't have anything, but these two things, yeah, no, we don't need them. Now we need to basically copy the moon over, like the just the sprite renderer, honestly, because everything else will be the same. We just need to copy this over. Jesus, I'm doing a lot. Okay, nice. And thank you for coming, Realistic Border. So yeah, we did that. Now what we can also do is, I don't think that I'm not sure if I have already fixed the orthographic view. This is basically that. I needed to fix the orthographic view to the multiplayer because I changed it. Yeah. So let's go. The spawn points, the spawn zones, everything is okay. Like the game. Okay. Since I have already flipped this they don't need to be flipped. Yeah, spawn positions. Okay, this is for the single player map, but whatever. What do I need more? The effects, I have the effects. Satellites, yes, satellites. Map. Oh, it's here, it's here. Asteroids, no, stars. Yeah, I think I should copy the stars over. Remove this, because they are kind of faded. And I should have them here. The satellites. Yeah, the satellites as well. I know that I added a lot of satellites. Okay. Satellites over. And I know that I had it like a particle effect. I should have a particle effect here. Maybe it's on the clouds. I think it's on the clouds already, but let me check. Yeah, it's here, it's here. The thing with this, it doesn't need to be equal to the main one. So yeah, this is kind of ugly. Let me delete that. Oh, way better. Let me copy this over. Does the, sorry, before deleting, does the background have anything? No. If the background doesn't have anything, we can move it here. Delete. I just need maybe the scales. This is way too big, in my opinion. But X. Yeah, way too big. Jesus. Okay. Okay, I'll move this. I'm gonna remove this now. I still have the earth here. On backup, earth. Yeah, I do have it. So I'm gonna put it here. I know that I increased the size of the map by a bit. Maybe I shouldn't. Not sure. Let's do this. So the moon spawn could be anywhere. Let me put it on the middle. Perfect. Nice. Like in terms of logic, I think we are getting there. The only thing that I'm missing in terms of logic is that I need to fix the player multiplayer, the prefab. So let's do that now. And what do I mean by fixing the player multiplayer? Basically, the other one, the player single player, as this, okay, as the same thing as this, but the particle effects are already fixed, so we need to kind of fix them. So let's see. See, you see the thing. I think, and I think I can copy that over. I'm not that confident, but we'll try. Let's try. Like copy component, we'll go here, and we'll go here, and we do paste component values. Yeah, and we'll do the same for both. Okay, for this one, sorry, for this one. Copy component, we'll go here, and we will paste paste component values. We'll do the same for the first particle system. Okay. And we'll do paste component values. Now let's see them in action. I don't see anything. Okay. I might need to fix this. Copy component. This is the first one. Let's do like paste component values. Something changed. I don't know what changed, but it's working. I don't care. Now let's do the same for the second propulsor. Paste component values. Perfect. Now let's do the same thing for the big ship. Yeah. Copy component values, and we'll go to player, and we will paste it. Paste component values. Now let's turn on this one. Let's turn this on. And now what we can do is basically we will rotate it. And we'll see. Yes, it's working. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Next thing that we need, multiplayer. Okay, bullets. One thing that we need to consider is the bullet location, okay? Or the bullet is pointing towards what?
The border says, how old are you if you don't mind? I'm curious.
Oh, no problem. I'm 25. Ugh. Let's do it. So what do we need to do? We need to.
The border says, oh nice.
Yeah, I'm not that young, but I'm not that old as well. So what we can do, basically the only time that you'll be controlling a bullet is the server, so we can make a private. I think is game. Okay, so
Realistic border says,
private.
you look pretty young.
Thank you, really appreciate it. Today I'm tired, but I am tired. But thank you. Map configuration, basically you need to grab the instance of it. I think maybe it's not, it's multiplayer. Sorry, multiplayer. It's multiplayer manager. I know that some of them, one of them has the multiplayer stuff. I don't know which one is, but I think it's Game Manager MP. Okay, Game Manager MP. Yeah.
Realistic border says, I got a new haircut.
Nice, nice. Congrats. Map configuration. And then what we can do is basically let's steal from the bullet single player, because basically it's the same exact thing. It's exactly.
Realistic border says, you added multiplayer to game?
Oh, the game already had multiplayer. I'm just making it not better, but I'm making it work with the changes that we added to single player, basically.
Realistic border says, oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, it already has multiplayer. Working. We need to focus on the working part.
Realistic border says, when you finish the game, wanna play multiplayer?
Oh, of course. And that's the main goal, is to play multiplayer with everyone on the stream. I know that the server might not handle it, but yeah, we can do it like by phases or something. Right now we are like not a lot of people, but maybe when we try to test the game and do like the play testing and whatnot, maybe people will start
Realistic
come.
border says, we can race to see who survives the most.
Yeah, I think most people will die a lot. I'm telling you, like the diagonal map, if we play diagonal, if we reach the end, like congrats. It's really hard, but it's fun. And I had an idea, but I'm not sure if I will implement it. Is that if you are playing single player, there are the only way of you to die is getting hit by an asteroid. But I thought about some stuff that could be added to the game, like an enemy AI that will kind of appear and disappear from time to time. It's like unpredictable and will start following you, like if you play Need for Speed, if you get seen by the cops at higher velocity, you'll get chased by them. And maybe I can implement something similar, so it will make the game harder and difficult the game, and maybe add some fun to it. Because if you avoid the asteroids and he gets hit by the asteroids, you kill him, and like for example, if you kill him in single player, you'll earn more rewards, for example, because it's an event, certain like a certain type of event. So yeah, nice. What I need to do now. Okay, another thing that I need to do is like the camera. It's here. It should be 090. Okay, no. Okay, 0. Zero. Yep. And I'm sorry for not being here. Was delayed. Yeah. I was working. I already told you, but yeah, I was working. When you are coding and you get drowned into the lines of code, sometimes it can really involve you. And since I really want to deliver that, yeah.
Realistic border says 9 people watching. Wow.
Oh, really? I haven't posted anything, so thank everyone for coming. Really, really appreciate it. Basically what we are doing, I know that I'm talking a lot, but basically we are doing is converting a single player game that I have into multiplayer. We are improving it over time. If you are new to the stream, consider subscribing, and hopefully you will enjoy what we are doing today. I think in terms of gameplay we are getting there. I just need to fix not the resources but scriptables, maps, multiplayer. This is the second map, so we need to switch this around. It's like minus 11, minus 27, 11, 27. The direction, I'm not sure if the direction is correct. I think it's 1 because it should go to the right. No, sorry, 0 because it's Y. This is the Y position, so 1 to the right. Nice. And this will be fun. It's like 1 minus 1. So this map now, what are we going to do with them? With it? Maybe I should consider the spawn thing that handles the user. This should be map 2, by the way. And we should consider like I don't know where it is, the spawn. This is the spawn point, but where are they being used? I think it's here. Not sure, but I think it's here. Spawn manage players. Yeah, exactly. So basically this just returns a random position. That's fine. Spawn. Do I use the spawn? No, I don't use the spawn. Do I use the spawn? Where do I use the spawn? Yeah, I do use the spawn. Okay. Spawn. Okay. So we get the random position and bar rotation. Transform that rotation. Sorry. It's not identity, but it's not get random public void get rotation. It's like it doesn't need to be a random, but it can be any of them because the rotation, it will always be the same. I know that we are wasting computational power, but come on. It's not, I don't think that it's that big. It's just a small thing, small cost. It will run once, basically. So yeah, not a huge pain doing that. And this will be rotation. Perfect. The same thing will apply in here, that we get the rotation and we do this and we do this. Transform that rotation, not get rotation. We need to pass down the quaternion rotation and we just rotation. Rotation, yeah. Perfect. anything else. Okay, for the spawn points, I think it's done. The next thing, okay, we have the spawns. Maybe Astro Spawner. The Astro Spawner is not doing that well. But maybe also before that, we need to consider the gameplay. Yeah, that's really important, right? So basically, the gameplay script, since were using for single player this one, so we'll put it here. We'll do something like this to have more space on the screen, and we'll copy over what we need. Basically, what we need, honestly, is we need the update method, and the update method is going to be exactly, I'm not joking, exactly the same as this. Not joking. Basically, we copy this over. Hopefully it's fine. I just need to grab the... okay, first, before doing anything, is here. I need to grab the map configuration. See, I grabbed the map configuration, right? Okay. So the map configuration. Yeah, oh, okay, I do have it, sorry. I thought I needed to grab it, but whatever. So basically what we need to do is copy the other methods over, since I have already the code. It's just copy this over, and in here, paste it. Yeah, a lot of things are missing. We don't care about them. We just copy this over because the most important part is this one. So we copy those. The thing that is failing is this. So we just do I have a reference to it? I don't. And this should be private. Come on, what the hell am I doing? Maybe I'll do this. Since it's private, it's best to do this way. So, yeah, it's done. It has 2 errors. Let's see. Okay, done. Right? I think so. Let's see. The game at least should scroll in the right direction. Next thing is... I have a lot of things opened. Do I need to change anything regarding the configuration for the player camera on multiplayer? I might. Let me go there. Multiplayer, player camera, player camera. It's already there. It's already there. Perfect. It's perfect. Regarding this, it's done. So let's see what errors does the console throw at us, basically. I might forgot something, I'm not sure, but let's see. It's a lot of things that you need to migrate over, so some of them can escape. Multiplayer. Let's create a room. Let's call it testing or test. So while creating, you can choose the map. It's the second map. You select the player. Okay, errors. I love them. Oh Jesus, a lot of them. So Okay, player camera. Let's collapse them. And we'll see this as well. This doesn't matter. It's only 3, right? Right. It's the player camera that it's spamming something that I don't know what. Okay. Basically, we need to check. Okay, the player is there. It's saying like, oh, I don't have a camera. It's basically what's happening. It's, oh, I don't have a camera, and it assigned itself to it. Magic, I will assume. The code looks pretty darn close, right? If we don't have the main camera, if we don't have the main camera different than null and Cinemachine.
Neo Nescafé Dolce Gusto. Agora também com cápsulas compostáveis em casa. Taste the future
Okay.
with Neo.
Okay, perfect. Let's go. Maybe line 44. Let me see. Line 44, it's this one. So it's telling us that we don't have it. But we find it. Yeah, Cinemachine, virtual camera, Cinemachine, virtual camera, transform position. Yeah, we do that. It's exactly the same code, but let's see the other problems as well. Let's fix them as we go. I think if we get the camera, because developing for multiplayer, if one thing fails, a lot of other things will fail. And we should error on pause so we get the first one and then it stops. Okay. Okay, perfect. We have 3 things. We have this that is failing. Map configuration. Okay, I think it enters an infinity loop. Is it the problem? Index out of range. Oh, okay, no, it's not that it's not the problem. So something that I have, I'm not sure what it is. It's the gameplay manager, I think. It's the game manager MP, and that game manager MP isn't inside the inside here. Yeah, it is. So I'll go to the line of code. It's getting the game manager and the map index, and I don't have maps in there. Game manager, sorry, but what I do have them. Yeah, the spaceship is correctly positioned as well. It's telling me that it doesn't have it, so it's not possible. Yeah, what I should do regarding this type of things is basically we need to index of map. Okay, index of map, and we do this, and what we can do is basically different than -1. Then we do this because this I think I need to search because it's not using the same. Do I have, like, when I select it, like, do I have I have the list, and do I have a selected map? I know for single player I do, but for multiplayer do I have it? It's like lobby. I'm trying to think, like, what's the progress when you enter like the multiplayer stuff. It's like you have the lobby, you create the room, you join the room, with the code, and I thought it was here. Multiplayer manager, start host. No.
Realistic border says IGTG sad. Realistic border says IGTG sadly.
No problem. Have a good day, man.
Number 039. S Fact Finder says hi.
Hi, Harper. Welcome to the stream. Let me see if I have room data value map. Do I store it? I don't.
Realistic border says he'll join later if we're still streaming.
Okay. I'm not sure how many time I will be here, but okay. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Room value.
Realistic border says Saya.
See ya. Okay. So we can we can do something that is public void. Thank you for the likes. Public void get not void, public map configuration so get map configuration, because since we have the value, if this has an instance we can work it. Jeez, it's so much better this way. It's so much better. Like, okay, when it starts, do I need to change it? Sure, I can change it. No problem. I just do can I grab like the room data? If I can grab the room data, yeah, I can. Perfect. So if I have the room data and I have the game manager multiplayer, what I will do is game manager multiplayer manager dot instance dot room data. Perfect. Now we have selected map ID. Perfect. And then we can just remove this, put this in here, and voila, it should be working. This should only be executed by the server. So let's do the check if this dot is server. Oh, sorry, if not server, what we will do is we will return it, because if it's not the server, we don't care. Only the server will handle this. Okay, we'll take care of it. Nice. Another thing, map index. We set the map index, we set the value and whatnot. Perfect. Hopefully this doesn't enter in any loop. I hope not. I hope not. But we do set the index, we do set everything. And what we can do is, if we really need now, is we can fetch the map that was selected. So not this way. It's not this way. What we can do is multiplayer manager.instance.get map configuration. And I think for the game manager multiplayer, it does have the map configuration. How do you set it? Okay, it already had it, but whatever. Because this instance, the game manager multiplayer, if I'm not wrong, it only works on here. Game manager multiplayer. See? It only works on not on inside of the map. We need to work outside of the map. So we are going to use the multiplayer manager because that controls everything. Get map configuration, perfect. And then we are good to go. The same thing will apply to the player, to the player camera multiplayer. The same thing will apply. And if we want to have the map configuration, I don't think I had like it fetching. See, it's here, but I'd rather do it this way. Honestly, it's better. So I don't have to configure a lot of things in the maps. I just put the things and they will configure themselves if they use the same script. So let's go. At least I'm going to do a new map for multiplayer today. It's not been an hour, but I'm doing things as fast as I can. Play. Okay, what I need to do now is I honestly need to increase this. Okay, minus 11 and I think 18 or yeah, 18. So it gives the player better movement. You can do a lot of more things. So at least it's working as intended. So I'm not gonna touch that much. I'm just improving it now. The spawners, see these two things. Okay, perfect. Okay, they will keep track of the spawned objects. This is just here to cause entropy, and I think I will delete it. I don't need it anymore. Okay, perfect. Okay. And I think I should fix the bullets as well. But let's see how's everything working. Okay, much better space to move. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, it does improve a lot the mobility. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh jeez, this is hard. It was never meant to be easy. You really need fast reactions to play this game. Oh. Oh, jeez. Finally something. Okay, speed. I get smaller. I avoided that. How the hell did I avoid that? Okay, I think... Yeah, I knew it. I knew it that something will happen with the bullets. Perfect. Oh. Yeah, no, not gonna happen. Oh gosh, why the hell did I be that way? What the hell? Come on. Multiplayer manager. Get map configuration. Perfect. Map configuration. Yeah, let's get map configuration. Since this is going to be the server controlling, yeah, no problem. And I don't need to add a log here. I don't need this. Perfect. Okay, I need to see the gameplay velocity. Because this is too slow. Jesus. I should be using 1 and not 0.25. I'm gonna use 1. I don't care. What's the worst that can happen, right? So the game can feel smoother or faster or slower, or you'll get the idea. And I think I should do that. I should do the same for single player. Let me get the single player edition as well. Because that can really change the feel of the game, and I think that could be a major difference between feeling smooth 0.25f to 1f. Okay, perfect. So let's do this again. Players.
Get professional email from GoDaddy. Say you receive 2 emails, one from a legitimate...
it does move faster and it makes the game feel alive. See, like if I stay here, it's moving. The other way was too slow. Now the game moves. And if we want to control the game movement, it's easy. Okay, it's really easy. Like, yeah, it reached the maximum stuff. So I can't move more. Okay. So we need to slow down the game. But now it's on the map scriptables that control the game, which actually makes sense. Like the game speed should be like 2. And the distance shouldn't be fixed. That's one of the main problems that I do have. The distance should be like, we should grab the size, because we have the game map. Okay, since we have the game map, we should use it. We should grab it and we should go like, is it, let me see, multiplayer, for example, map 2. Is it the map that it's huge, or is it the background that it's huge? I think it's always the first child, and I'll try to do that so the game keeps consistent. So we know, for example, we know how much we need to move it. If we look at the scale, it's basically the scale size. The X scale size. But X has nothing to do with it. Basically, we need to move the Y position to reach the end, I think. Yeah. $100. Okay, so we know 100 now. 95, 94, 94. 90, whatever. So what we do is we'll create a variable, private vector3. We just grab it on the initial thing, vector3, start push, yeah, start move distance. It's the move distance, okay? And the move distance, let's do like move distance, and we will make it 0 first of all. Second of all, we do like we grab the transform from this. We go like child 0, and then we do position. Okay. Move to distance. Now, what we can do is, instead of having this hard-coded, which is not ideal, okay, it's not ideal, we just do this. For example, for Y, it's this. For Y, it's this. For X, it's this. For X, it's this. For horizontal, it's this. It's always using the same. X. And I think this script can be improved. I covered like all of the areas and I think it could be really improved, but yeah. Let me see. Okay, the value. Yeah. X Y Y X Y X. Just one more. X Y. Perfect. Okay. And I think this way will improve the gameplay overall. And I should do the same for single player. Yeah, this won't move the full map around. I think it's... But if you move... Basically, it's this plus final. Depends, because I'll do this. So it's the full amount. Yep.
Opus Rivastava says, going good, bro.
Oh, welcome to the stream. It's the first time. It's your first time, right? I was just checking the numbers, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go to test it out.
Opus Rivastava says, yeah.
Welcome to the stream. What we do here is basically we develop games, we code games, we do a lot of stuff, we talk, and yeah, if you want to join the Discord, I think it's on the description of the YouTube video, the live stream. Even if it's not, I can provide it. So let's test it out.
Why I love Envato Elements? I love that I don't have to animate my own texting conversations in After.
Okay, let's go. Please, 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 please. I know it's going fast, but I like it. I like this way. It's going faster. But if it's getting multiplied, I don't think it's... Why it stopped it here? Why it stops? Why it stops? Let's see. It's working as intended, but it needs to go way more than this. See, like this is 90 and it's already 90. Oh Jesus. So am I doing... So it needs to be like Okay, in this case, okay, let's see. In this case, it shouldn't be the Y. I'm getting the position, but it shouldn't be the Y. It should be the scale. Actually, it should be the scale, because if you think about it, depending on the map direction, it should be the scale. Move to distance. Okay, so we grab the position.
Opus Rivastava says, will his live stream be provided in your channel later?
Oh yeah, all of the live streams are provided later. You can see everything from day one that we started live streaming. You can review them. We did a lot of things, so the goal to get here, it's so amazing with so little time in terms of development, I would say. So we do like map size. It's not there, but we can do this. Dot scale. Yeah. Not divided by 2. Because that will be off of that, so no. So we'll do this and we'll do that. Not minus. We will actually set the values to that. So we'll have the values on there. Like right now I'm trial and error. Okay, it's getting late. It's almost 6. I'll try to finish up this map and I will be ending up the stream. It's been small, but it's been quite enjoying. It's increasing and improving the game, and step by step we'll get there.
Opus Rivastava says, sorry bro, I have to leave as it's already midnight, but I will watch the video later.
Oh, have a good night. Have a good night. Thank you for coming, by the way. Shooting correctly. Is it the scale? Oh, I know. It's the scale. Oh, Jesus. It's hard. It's the scale plus the position. No, whatever. Let's do it. And I think I can do it in a better way, honestly. It's move there, equal plus equals. Okay. Let's see if this fixes it. Hopefully it does. Multiplayer, create room, put a random name. Start right away. I like it. I do like it. It's getting there. I'm gonna try to do the maximum. Okay. Was close, though. It was really close. $1.75, 1.5, maybe 1.5. We'll do. We're not dividing it by 2. Maybe by dividing by half. So because it's a lot, we should not get that far. We'll see. This should also be changed to the colors of the map. It's still going? Perfect. It's the limit. Okay. Let's try the first map after having done the... Okay. Okay. Yeah, this should be up. Okay. Let's do this. There we go. I think we are getting there. Honestly. Random numbers. I like creating random rooms. Yeah, I should put the cap limit to the characters that you can create for a room. Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh. Let me go to the menu. Let me create another room. Even if we go to the menu and we can play, this is huge. Oh Jesus, the velocity. Oh gosh. Oh, they are so big. No. Okay. Nobody can hit me. I'm small like a olive. Oh, no, I'm not. I thought I was. Okay. Oh, no. Can I reach the end? 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 Where's the... No! Yeah, it's fine. Single player working, multiplayer working. Still need to improve the first map on multiplayer. The single player map, it's so better. I like it. I like it much more. Yeah, but the speed is... Oh gosh, it's so funny. Yeah, I need to do math to calculate the game speed. Like, the game speed should be... Okay, let's set up this. Let's do Let me think of a formula. Calculate the game speed based on the distance it needs to go and on the game duration. And like, if it slows down boost. If it's boosting, yeah, this should be here. And I need to do something here as well. I know it will be calculating every frame, but so the game speed will slow down over time. If I'm not wrong, if I'm not wrong, it will be. No, it won't be. It won't be because it's not using the transform. But yeah, it needs to be updated now and then. So there's no problem on doing this way. And I'll do that for single player as well. I actually like this. And I need and this should be added here. So yeah, we are improving everything. X. So the scale of the map is always correct. Otherwise it was not. It was using static values and magic numbers, and we don't use them. Okay, perfect. Okay. It shouldn't be updated every frame, but because that way the speed boost on the map doesn't work. Yeah, I told you. This is... I think I reached the maximum. Is this the maximum velocity? Am I moving? Is the map moving? I don't think so. Oh, yeah. I need to change. Sorry, I stopped the music. I need to change the single player. Sorry. Background should be the first thing. That's why it was not doing it correctly. game map. Okay, perfect. Multiplayer maps. I think the third map, yeah, it doesn't have anything yet. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna just start the third map. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna copy this over. I'm gonna remove this scene. Save it. So this way we have it saved. Okay, so we at least have a map, and this map should be like 0 or minus 40. No, sorry, 45. Yeah, and the camera should also be spawn positions. They should be 45. Yeah, we need to set up the positions. Target, map, spawners. Yeah, this needs to go to 45. And it should be okay. More things. Camera. No, I like the spawners to be like here. The camera to be here. Post-processing and lighting. Yeah. Okay. So the camera. Now. Yeah, the camera is fine. Sorry for not putting the music. Game multiplayer here. Yeah. Then what we need is honestly single player maps. Third map. We should open the map. We should open the map. We should grab this, We're going to delete the earth. Gonna do this instead. Okay. We are going to copy the stars. We are going to remove the stars. Sorry. We are going to copy the stars here. Perfect. Now I need the clouds. Where are the clouds? Clouds. It's here. I'm going to have them here. Satellites, I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna grab this, paste it here. The final part is the moon. The moon is okay, I just need to copy the X value. Yeah, now I need the background stars. I'm gonna delete it. Okay. Global lighting. Global lighting. It's not Mars. It should be like Earth-ish vibe. So the main camera, remove. Okay. I still have Mars here. Nice. Okay. Let's save it. The player positions are not set. Yeah, this is kind of hard, by the way. And now the positions, I'll do like -8, -6. Yeah. It's 24. Like here. It's like 5:15. It's in the same. Kinda. It should be like 16, right? And 6. No. 4. It's hard. Like, I'm gonna do. On this one, I'm gonna do 6, 24. No. -12. No. I don't know. I don't know the correct values. Yeah. 6, 24. Okay. For 20. I think 16. Okay, 1 here. 13.5 -5. This is hard to create the spawn point. Like 24. I'll grab one and put here. I'll grab another one and I'll put them here. I don't know. I really don't know where. But basically they need to be around. Okay, that one it was correct. They need. Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. So let's try this map. Just haven't configured it, the script. Let me -12, 25. Okay. -12, 25, -12, 25. Oh. Yeah, please save, please save.
It's time to level up your videos. Go to motionarray.com, the ultimate marketplace for video creators. Access over
Okay, it's done. Let's try this out then, and let's go multiplayer. Something wrong was not right. Okay. Multiplayer apps 3. Like this needs to go 45? No, 180. Another 35. Yeah. 0. So it'll be kinda here. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. Last thing. Sorry. Random key strokes. Where the hell am I? Player. Okay. One, two. Oh yeah. I messed up on the configurations. Jesus. I knew something was wrong. Something was really not right. Should have fixed the issue. Interesting, something is happening, but I don't understand the behavior of the game, which is weird, but at the same time nice. Yeah, I still need to figure it out for this one. But it's already created. I need to understand what's the behavior looking like, why it's just teleporting like this stuff. Not sure why. But regardless that, I think we are getting there. Nice. I think I might need to do some calculations, like some maths, but some mathematics, to get the values, because if I need to take in consideration the direction that we are headed towards, and I think I need to multiply it. I think I need to multiply it either by 1 or by -1 to get the correct value. I'm gonna do that before I end the stream, just to make sure that I have everything that I need, honestly. And I think, yeah, we add, and then we multiply by the map configuration. Sorry, map configuration dot scroll direction. It doesn't work? Why? Can't you just multiply vectors? Really? Are you kidding me? This is a vector 3, this is a vector 3. Anyway, so we do this by hand. I don't care. We multiply it by hand. We do this. Easy. So we can have a better sense of if it's really the thing that we are looking at. Hopefully. Hopefully this will fix the game. Not sure, but hopefully. Let me test the multiplayer then. Where? Let me just look at it. Like, there's the virtual camera. The target is there. Yeah, the target is there. Where's the virtual camera? The virtual camera is above the main camera. It should never happen. As well. Last modification before I go. Yeah. The global lighting can be there. The player target. The target can be here. The virtual camera is here, and the virtual camera should target the target. Is the camera? Yeah, everything is there. Oh, honestly, I think I don't understand like the velocity. Maybe maybe it has something to do with the diagonals, because the diagonals move in two directions simultaneously, and if you are doing a LARP, it's not the best thing to do. This should be run on the fixed update for it to get smoother. Yeah. This should never run on the update. The update could make the calculations, but honestly, what should really happen is the physics engine does the calculation, because the game needs to feel smooth. Yeah, I think by changing this to this, it should work. It shouldn't work, but this at least makes the game feel smoother, because it's using the physics engine. You shouldn't use a lot of the physics engine, but for physics you should, right? Like for the asteroids as well, they should use, but I don't think they use it. So why they should use it? Because that way the movement is consistent.
Neo Nescafé Dolce Gusto, com tecnologia exclusiva Smart Brew 3 em 1. Taste the future com Neo.
I don't understand why that's happening. The thing on the multiplayer map, but yeah, we'll need to dig deep. I will just test it like in here, since I changed it to Jesus, this is so fast. Did I finish already? Where's the moon? Did I finish already? Oh no, I'm going to get target. Map. Final. Yeah, it needs to go a little bit more. But is it scrolling? That's my question. Nope. So in here will be like 125. It will be the position plus 1.25. Not 1 plus, but like 75% of the size. I think that will make it. I need to fix the speed boosts, by the way. Where's the moon? Yeah. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank everyone that joined, that talked with me. Really appreciate everyone that comes to the stream and interacts, and everyone that watches afterwards as well. So I really appreciate it. I'll see you tomorrow as well, and hopefully we can keep developing it, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have the multiplayer updated towards the goal that we want to, that is implement the 3 multiplayer maps into them, and that way we can use them. So thank you once again. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye everyone.